Cody Banker, are you ready to do an episode of From the Gallery?
Sure.
Wow, way to get excited. What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets with Banker. This is the guy that always works in the back that actually does work because he actually builds vehicles rather than play on the internet like me and Jared and some of the other guys do. So today we brought Banker out to do another episode of From the Gallery where you guys send in your trucks that you've added to the gallery for us to review on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being not so hot and 10 being super duper good. So we're gonna go through and check them out. I know we've gotten a ton of submissions from people to review their trucks, so we had Taylor pick from that list, and I think we have almost all trucks that have been submitted by you guys. So if you want your vehicle featured, make sure it's in the gallery. It's customoffsets.com/add. And before I keep rambling on, I think we'll just jump into it with the first truck, all right?
All right.
I'm sure you'll hate this simply because it's a Ford and you always like to pick on Fords, but this is a 2017 F-150, TAS 544s. Very popular wheel. 24 by 12, negative 44, Terra grapplers, 305 35s, some low pros on there, and it's on a level. 12 wides on a leveled F-150.
I'm just taking it all in. I'm trying to pick something I like about this truck,
Oh, come on.
and so far I have found nothing.
Shut up. It's really good photos.
Yep, they are good photos. I'll give them that.
Do you want to just give it a number and then we'll go from there?
Sure.
All right. 3, 2, 1,
3.
9.5. 3? How a 3? Please explain.
It looks like a stock F-150 with some chrome wheels.
No,
They're TISs, which if you're gonna buy wheels that are freaking directional, get directional wheels, because the backwards on this side and the frontwards on the other side drive me absolutely insane.
Oh my gosh.
Wheel companies, stop slanting your spokes if you're not gonna make them different on each side. Can't stand it. Tires,
Yeah.
garbage.
The Terra grappler? For a guy that
It's not a
probably
G2. It's not a G2. It's the
Oh,
old
it's the
Terra
old one,
grapplers.
yeah.
Yeah.
But
Terrible tire. Garbage.
It's not like he's going off road on this thing.
It's not like he's going off road, but it
It's not
still
even going
probably
in the
rides
gravel.
terrible on the highway.
Well, when you get a 305 35 and you have a sidewall that's this big, I don't think you can expect too good of ride quality.
Right. This
But
truck just,
I gave it a 9.5 because I think this is very sexy. It's a very appealing truck. It's a platinum. He does a really good job of like tying in the silver accents and the chrome accents with chrome wheels. I think the TAS 544 is a really great looking wheel.
if this was a
unlike you.
car, it would have over fenders and a chassis mount wing on
Which is
eBay
fine.
coilovers.
Oh, come on. Well, I'm not going to argue with you on it. We'll just move to the next one.
That's fine. Let's go to the
All
next
right.
one.
Oh, good. Another Ford for you. 2018 Ford Raptor. Year alloy 17 by 8.5 plus zeros. Cooper Discover STT Pro 37 by 12.5s on a leveling kit. Another Ready Lift leveling kit, actually. I pretty much want to buy this truck. If this truck's for sale, I will buy it from you. So this is a complete opposite end of the spectrum of the
It
other
is.
guy.
It really is.
The other guy had big chrome wheels that stuck out really far, and it was a nice showpiece. And then you have this, which
Which is much more off-road.
I don't know if he actually uses it off-road or not, if this is more of a look thing. There is one picture on gravel, so we do have evidence that it has been off the pavement.
True.
So we can't get too many people angry in there. But those are aftermarket headlights too.
Yep.
He's got the triple fog mod thing going on.
Yep.
It's really clean instead of having like a light bar. I kind of like that. I like the bronze color.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
STT Pro tires are pretty decent.
It's a good-looking, functional truck.
Slight amount of useless plastic cut off.
He's not wrong.
It really is true. You ready to rate it?
All right, let's go.
All right, 3, 2, 1, 9.5.
5.5.
At least you brought it up, but
I brought it up because it's a Raptor and he has stuff done to it, but it's still like stock with big wheels.
this truck looks cool. I'd drive it. I love it. I think it's sweet. So that's why I went with 9.5. Gave it the exact same score as the last F-150 because they are both great in their own way. So next one, not a Ford. This is 2004 Dodge Ram 2500 on fuel octanes, 20 by 12, negative 44s. Toyota Open Country MT 33 by 12.5s on a 6-inch Skyjacker. 6-inch lift and only 33s.
So I'm guessing dude had these on like a leveling kit.
Probably on
and
a
just-
level, then bought the lift. Because like, look how new the shocks look in there.
Yeah.
So this lift is relatively new.
Yeah.
So maybe he's in progress of stepping up the game a little
Doing
bit when
some
it comes
stuffs.
to wheels and tires. There's still 12 wides, which is good, but 33s you could put a 35 on your easy, and I feel like you could probably almost do a 37 on 12 wides with major trimming.
With some major trimming.
It's got blue underglow, billet grill, no trimming, no rubbing.
I would hope
because
not.
He's got 33s, so it makes sense. All right, are you ready? This is a tough one for me. 3, 2, 1, 6.
4.
Yeah, a little bit on the lower side.
7 if you include all accessories. Next. Oh, sorry. Would you like to
Because-
explain the 6?
Yeah, that's what the video is all about.
You do have a girlfriend. Explain your 6.
I don't know if we're talking about the same thing. It needs bigger tires, and then we could get a better score on it. And other than that, everything is pretty basic. He's got like the clear headlights and stuff like I mentioned, but
Sure.
nothing over the top and nothing super exciting. Plus, it's a Dodge, and
It's very, it's
Something about
clean,
Dodges.
but for some reason, I'm leaning more towards it's just really stock instead of clean, and that's why mine's a little bit low.
get bigger tires.
Get bigger tires.
End
we
of
have
story.
we sell those.
We do, actually, customoffsets.com. We have many tires, wheels too. Oh, and lift kits and t-shirts. Here, I got a GM truck for you now. So 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 XT grenades. Hey, you have those.
I have those.
20 by 12 negative 44s. You have that size, actually.
I do.
Toyota Open Country AT2s, 35 by 12 and a half, and a 6-inch Pro Comp. Pro Comp, lift struts in the front, add a leaf and 4-inch blocks in the rear, slight rubber full term, major plastic trimming. But then he lists details. Shishima beavered, which would be
You kind of have to.
major metal trimming. 2-inch spacers in the back because this kit pushes up the front wheels. So to match the track width, he's got 2-inch spacers on the back.
I mean, this is 99% of the trucks we do around here.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's literally what I see every day.
It's from Michigan. It makes sense. It's
Yeah.
only a couple hours away.
It's a clean driver. You know, he went with the AT2s, so it's a good all-around tire. The Pro Comp kit is a good one if he's going to go off-road. I highly doubt that he does, but he has the ability to if he would want to.
It's nice that it's actually lift struts instead of just a spacer, so you do have a little bit better ride quality. Okay, so you got a number?
Yeah, I got a number.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
7.
Yeah, at least it's higher.
Yeah, I mean, we're getting there.
Being a negative Nancy today.
It's not negative. I want to see more modification from you guys.
Okay.
I just want to see more modification.
Yeah, it's true. This is, again, relatively stock.
Right.
Not even window tint. But it does look a little bit cleaner, I think, because it has like color match bumpers and stuff like that. I'm sure these are factory options. Being a GMC, they usually come color matched and stuff like that. But I also just do really love the front end out of GMC and how they look with the daytime running lights.
It's such a good looking truck. It really
Very
is.
clean. And this is a different color too.
Yes.
It's not your typical like just black GMC that we see all the time.
Yep, exactly.
So that's kind of nice to see. And again, good photos. XD wheels, simple and clean, kind of timeless look there with the split spoke design and the Open Country AT2. All right, last one. Out of the US market and into Japan, we have the Toyota Tacoma. 2005, got gear alley big blocks, 22 by 12, negative 44s on Nitto 420s. And Banker is so upset right now. It's on a rough country leveling kit.
What is maybe X01 Daniel can answer this for me. What is your obsession with taking a vehicle that is actually capable? Because Toyota doesn't make anything that's actually capable of doing anything.
Oh, come on.
The Tacoma is the only vehicle, well, I mean, besides the 4Runner,
Yeah.
which is the same platform,
Yep.
that is capable of doing anything other than driving to the grocery store at a slow rate of speed. And you put 420s and giant chrome wheels on it. Why? What? So many people do it. It's not like he's the only one.
No, there's actually a lot of Toyota guys that
Yeah.
do this. The Toyota guys they're so extreme because either they have 15s, like Steelies,
Steelies and like
Or-
super swampers.
yeah, or they have these 22 by 12s in chrome. Because there's like the overlanding and off-road Toyota community, and then there's this Toyota community, and there's no in between.
Just judging by the background of the pictures, I'm gonna guess this dude's from Central California. He has a dirt bike, and he's got these lights so they can go to the dunes.
Yeah,
And like
sure.
chill in the dunes. But he's also got to bro up his North Carolina.
That doesn't look like North Carolina at all. to
No,
me.
this man is squatting like Charlie. So he's less like
Okay.
Charlie and more like Jared,
Yeah.
who had an off-road truck and then went to this
Right.
pile of behind you.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's give it a number and a quick explanation. God, I don't even. All right, 3, 2, 1,
3.
6.
Go back to how it was. I'm not the hardcore off-roading guy
No.
by any means.
Right. But it's a TRD. If you bought a TRD,
Please, for the love of God, use it as a TRD.
make it an Overlander. Otherwise, you could have just bought the base model and saved yourself 10 grand.
I just want to get this out there
Oh, no.
that everybody's gonna be like, because I can compare this in my head to, you know, ooh, what about WRXs that are like on bags? I say the same thing.
Yeah.
Like, don't
Right.
bag a WRX.
No.
Put mud flaps on it
Right.
and mud tires and go rally it. So it's the same concept. You bought an off-road vehicle, off-road it. Please stop doing this.
But
Can I say
I mean, he'll bleep it. You can say whatever you want.
Alright.
Can you make the same argument as like, so like Kirk's F-150,
Yep.
you bought a full-size pickup,
Yep.
so should you not do that?
Well, he didn't buy an off-road edition. He bought a luxury edition.
That's true, you bought the FX4, appearance packages and lighting.
Yes. So, I mean, he's got a giant trailer hitch and he used it for truck stuff.
And, that's true.
You know, truck stuff isn't off-roading.
Not
Off-road
necessarily.
trucks,
Right. It literally
off-road.
says, yeah. TRD
saying.
off-road.
just saying. If you
All
wanted
right.
to put giant chrome wheels and ride around on the street, you should have bought it like a Tundra, something that's useless.
So that about wraps it up. That's enough hearing from Banker about how much he hates your vehicles, apparently, and how much I do like them a lot, or sort of like them, apparently, depending on what we get sent in. So I can barely talk because I'm so excited right now. If you guys have, my mom texted me.
Yeah,
don't
I
know
know.
if you saw that.
It's probably
Yeah.
important.
It could be. But anyways, if you guys want to send your trucks into the gallery, you can add them at customoffsets.com/add. If you don't know what the gallery is, it's this thing on our website where if you don't know what fits your truck, you just enter your year, make, model, kabing, kaboom, you got it. Wheels, tires, lift, suspension, the whole 9 yards. All the details you need at customoffsets.com.
Tell Susan I said hi.
Will do.